What's up, everybody? It's your favorite train operator, Jay Bailey. Yes, that Jay Bailey, the one who slept the pig, Jay Bailey. I'm that one. Your favorite train operator. Anyway, let me cut to the chase because we don't have a lot of time. Listen, I am enraged. I'm pissed off, and I'm gonna tell you why. Let's hold on. Let me put on my glasses so I can actually see what I'm doing. Um, check this out. Let me share my screen. Let's minimize that and let me hide that. Let me do that. And there we go. Okay. Check this out. Now, I was doing some research regarding this whole PPO thing with employees. So my thought was, well, what does the law say? Let's check this out. Uh, so it's easier to see. And I'll make this file available in RTO. Basically, the law says New York State law, workers' comp law, as you can see here, Chapter 67, Article 2, Section 13A. An injured employee may, when care is required, select to treat him or her any physician authorized by the chair to render medical care as hereafter provided. In other words, any doctor within New York State that is certified by the Workers' Comp Board to handle workers' comp cases can be selected by the injured employee. And if we choose not to select a physician, then we are supposed to inform our employee in writing. So that's available to all employees in New York State, no matter the industry, no matter what. This is workers' comp law for New York State. We go down, but here's the other part. Let's see. Here's the best part. Down here, any interference by any person with the selection by an injured employee of an authorized physician to treat him or her, except when the selection is made pursuant to Article 10A, we'll get to that, and the proper influencing or attempt by any person to improperly to influence the medical opinion of any physician who has treated as who has treated or examined an injured employee shall be a misdemeanor, except as otherwise permitted by law. An employer, carrier, or third party administrator, and in our instance, the it would be the carrier, MTA or Metropolitan Transportation Authority insurance company. Yes, they have their own company, which is their own insurance company. They are what is considered self-insured. They are self-insured. This way, they don't need to use a third party insurance company for their claims. They shall not interfere or attempt to interfere with the selection by an injured employee of or treatment by an authorized medical provider. So we were allowed to choose whatever doctor we wanted to go. to go see if we were injured on the job, right? Let's take a look at Article 10A. It states the self-insurer, which is Metropolitan Transportation Authority Insurance Company, MTA Insurance Company, may contract with the preferred provider organization to deliver all medical services mandated by this chapter, Chapter 67, Workers' Comp Laws. Where there is a duty to collectively bargain, an employer shall collectively bargain the use and implementation of a preferred provider organization, PPO, with the authorized collective bargaining agent of its employees. This is why I'm enraged. We were sold out by the union, sold out. And if I'm not mistaken, it was either at that time, I believe this was in either 2017 or the previous contract. I'm not sure who it was. So it's either Samuelson, Utano, or Davis. One of them sold us out to management because now we have to abide by this because it's written in the law. And we can't even grieve it because it was the union who collectively bargained the agreement. This is why I'm enraged. Let me know what you think. Or maybe I'm just making stuff up. But the law is here. You let me know. I'm Jay Bailey. That Jay Bailey that slept the pig, Jay Bailey. Talk to you soon. Now, how do I stop this from going? Anyway. Oh, there you go. Talk to you soon.